Today we're going to be looking at creating captions with Premiere Pro. To do that, first thing we need to do is download Adobe Suite. So we're just going to type in Kansas KSU Adobe Download in Google, and we're going to hit enter. We're going to look at the results, and the second result is downloading Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And there's lots of options here, and we're just going to go down to Procedure and click on go to creativecloud.adobe.com, and now we'll start your download. Okay, and just follow those instructions on your screen. Once it's downloaded, we're going to hit the search bar and we're going to type in Premiere Pro. And that should pop right up. And there it is. Go ahead and click on that. And then a new window, Adobe Premiere Pro, will open up. It may take a little bit of time, especially if it's the first time loading. Okay, so we're going to want to click on New Project. And then just give your project a name. This new window allows you to work on your video. On the far right, there's a small panel there that says Drag Media. So we want to go to our folder, wherever you keep your video at. Click on that. And there's the video. Just go ahead and drag that over and drop that into there. Now on your far left, there's something that says text. You can see it there, kind of expanded, but it's at the very bottom. And you can see there's transcript, captions, and graphics. And you would think we want captions. In actuality, we're actually going to go ahead and click on the transcript to the left. Click on that. Okay, and we want to create that transcript. And we want to hit transcribe. Okay, this next step is very important. When your transcriptions appear, go ahead and click on the CC, the closed captioning icon. This will create the captions that you need. Go ahead and click Create. Okay, there's our transcript complete with timestamps. That's very important. Now we have the timestamps. But we don't see anything on the right-hand side where the video would play. Now to make something appear on the right-hand side, we go back to the left-hand side and click on the first bit of captioning. Go ahead and hit play, and you'll start hearing the narrator.
Hi there. Well, 75 years ago, the University of Wisconsin made Aldo Leopold.
You can see right now we have a bit of an issue.
75 years ago, the University of Wisconsin made Aldo Leopold the world's first professor of wildlife management.
The captions say Aldo Leopold. It should say Aldo Leopold, so we want to make that correction. We would do that by going to the captions, go ahead and click on that, and type in Aldo. And we can see on the right-hand side that correction has been made. Now we're going to want to double check that. So we're going to go back over there and then hit play again. And we're going to make sure that it does caption correctly.
Made Aldo Leopold the world's first professor of wildlife management. Leopold is, of course, best known for his classic book, A Sand County Almanac, in which he recounted the sequence of natural events throughout the year at his farm in southern Wisconsin. Yesterday, I drove past the country cemetery that Leopold featured in his chapter for July.
We can see here, this actually says for a July, where the lecturer actually said July. So we need to make that correction. Go back and check.
Featured in his chapter for July. And I'd like to quote from that essay. Every July, I watch eagerly a certain country graveyard that I pass in driving to and from my farm.
Okay, and so we're just going to do that for the remainder of the video. This is only a 4 or 5 minute video, so we could probably do this in 10 or 15 minutes. Of course, a longer video would take considerably longer, so keep that in mind. Now that we've gone through the entire bit of captions and we're happy with all our corrections, we're going to click on these 3 little buttons right up here on the right hand side, and we're going to hit Export SRT File. That's the SRT file that we're going to use both in MediaSite and YouTube. Go ahead and click Save. And then save your work. Okay, now we're going to want to go ahead and add those SRT files to the videos you have in YouTube. If you don't have your video in YouTube yet, just go ahead and upload your video. Go ahead and select your file. And hit Open. Okay, here's your video details. Give it a name if it doesn't have one. Give it a description if you want to. Provide a thumbnail if you want to, otherwise it'll just do it automatically. Make sure you go ahead and click on No, it's not made for kids. And if you have a playlist, maybe have a bunch of lectures on one specific topic, go ahead and click that. Now go ahead and go down to Next. We want to add our subtitles or captions. Just go ahead and click Add. And we want to upload a file. So we're going to click on that file with timings. Yep. And there's our SRT file. We can click on that. Open. Okay. And there we are. We have our captions and our timestamps right over there. So we're done. We're going to hit Next. It's just checking to make sure there's no copyright. Click Next. Do your visibility however you'd like. Okay, and there it is. We can see our captioning is available. We clicked on that. And there they are. We're going to want to make sure that the changes that we did are reflected. And we see it says Aldo Leopold, so we're all good there. So there's your YouTube updates. Now we're going to want to do something similar for MediaSite. Some folks prefer MediaSite over YouTube for their course. When you're in MediaSite, just go ahead and hit Add Presentation. Click Choose File. This is very similar to what we just did. And hit Open. Okay. Now just give it a name. We gave our captions the name Ecology Captions, but this is the Ecology Lecture, so we're just going to reflect that and write Ecology Lecture. Hit Create. And now, similar to YouTube, we're going to enter all the details. The difference is we're going to want to wait till this actually loads. Once it's all loaded, go ahead and hit Edit Details, and you'll see the video appear. And this could take longer on your computer. Go ahead and click Edit Details. You want to make sure the visibility is on Viewable. Now we're going down to Delivery in the middle there, right below the video itself. And we're going to click on Audio Transcription. And we're going to manually upload the file. So go ahead and click on that. And we're going to select the file. This is similar to what we just did. Select SRT. Great. Go ahead and hit Open. There we go. We're going to choose our language, which is English. Specifically United States. And there's a Save button. Scroll down and click on that. Now, again, we're going to want to double check to make sure everything's working okay. On the right-hand side, it says who can view. You can choose everyone or my organization. You choose my organization. Okay, we hit play.
Hi there. Well, 75 years ago, the University of Wisconsin made Aldo Leopold the world's first professor of wildlife management. Leopold is, of course, best known for his classic book, A Sand County Almanac.
Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let me know. There's also contact information on the screen for Global Campus Instructional Design.